It took 3 years and $2 million to complete a study into the Okanagan's water supply.
This study is going to show us how much water we have, how much we're using today, and hopefully it's going to show us how much we're going to need in the future.
It's been one of the most comprehensive studies into the valley's water resources in decades.
It's unique by Okanagan standards, but really by Canadian standards. I think that there's never been a study in recent years that's been as comprehensive as this.
Government researchers were able to develop a new web-based computer program designed to make it easier to predict how water supplies may be affected by future population growth and climate change.
Water supply is probably the most limiting resource in the Okanagan for whether it's agriculture expansion or human settlement or industry. We need water, and we need to do a better job of using the water that we have today.
People are going to have to change some of their habits. The Okanagan is arid, with less fresh water per person than anywhere else in Canada, and yet the average Okanagan resident uses twice as much water as the national average.
That's a scary figure. 24% of domestic use water is being used outside. That's lawns, gardens, shrubs, washing cars and things like that. That's probably not going to be allowed in the future.
Most of the study's findings won't come as a surprise to long-time residents of the Okanagan. It predicts that water shortages are probably inevitable and may become worse.
Yes, they are. We've always had water shortages in the Okanagan, and that we always will have water shortages in the Okanagan. The challenge is, how can we protect the economy and our quality of life while we are having these water shortages?
The Okanagan Basin Water Board says the study is further proof that people are going to have to stop using so much water. In Kelowna, Barry McDivitt, CHBC News.